This is going to be a video tutorial on how to increase the size of your mouse cursor in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. Okay, I am on my desktop now. To change the size of your mouse cursor, what you want to do is go down to your search icon down here at the bottom. You want to click on that. And then in the search bar up here, you want to type in mouse settings. And then off to the right over here, you want to click on mouse settings. This gives you some options here on how to adjust the speed of your mouse and how fast it scrolls. But down here at the bottom, to increase the size, you want to click on mouse pointer. And then this little slider right here, the size of your cursor, you just want to move this slider here. You can make your mouse cursor really big. You can make it really small. I usually keep mine on about 3. That is how you change the size of your mouse cursor in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.